In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Mailchimp campaign step by step, so you can quickly update the details, change the content, and get everything ready to publish without confusion. If you're managing email campaigns, landing pages, or audience settings in Mailchimp, this walkthrough will save you time and help you make edits the right way. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can access all of your campaigns. From here, click on Campaigns. This will take you to the area where your existing campaigns are listed, so you can find the one you want to edit. Now look through your campaign list and find the campaign you want to change. When you locate it, click Edit next to that campaign. This opens the campaign editor and gives you access to the main settings and content options. If you have multiple campaigns, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before making changes. Once the campaign editor opens, you can start updating the key details. One thing you may want to edit is the page title and site icon. These settings help control how your campaign or landing page appears to your audience. So it's a good idea to make sure they match your branding. Just click into the title area and update it to the new version you want to use. Then, if needed, change the site icon so it looks polished and consistent. Next, you can edit the URL. This is useful if you want the link to be more readable, more branded, or better aligned with the purpose of the campaign. Keep in mind that changing a URL can affect old links, so always double-check before saving. Make sure the new URL is clear and easy for your audience to recognize. After that, you can edit the audience and tags. This step is important because it helps you control who receives the campaign and how it's organized in Mailchimp. Choose the right audience list and update any tags if you want the campaign grouped with specific contacts or segments. This makes it easier to manage your email marketing later and keeps your campaigns organized. Now move on to the content section. This is where you can actually edit the message, images, buttons, links, and layout inside your campaign. Click into the content area and make the changes you need. You might want to rewrite text, update an offer, replace an image, or adjust your call to action. Take your time here, because this is the part your audience will see most clearly. As you make edits, it's always smart to preview your campaign so you can catch any formatting issues or broken links before it goes live. Check that everything looks clean on both desktop and mobile, if Mailchimp gives you that option. Small edits can make a big difference in how professional your campaign feels. When you're finished making all your changes, you have two options. You can click Finish Later if you want to save your progress and come back to it later, or you can click Publish if you're ready to make the campaign live. If you're not completely sure about everything yet, Finish Later is the safer option. But if everything looks good and you've reviewed the content carefully, publish it and send it out. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit a Mailchimp campaign from start to finish. You've seen how to open the campaign, adjust the title and site icon, update the URL, manage audience and tags, and edit the content before finishing or publishing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Mailchimp tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.